Packing lunch boxes every morning can feel like a challenge. Because we all want something that is healthy, tasty, and exciting enough for kids to actually finish it. So today I'm sharing 4 simple lunchbox ideas that kids absolutely love. And the best part, they are quick and made with everyday ingredients. Let's start with the first lunchbox. These noodles are colorful, soft, and full of flavor. The vegetables make them look bright and beautiful, which kids always enjoy in their lunchbox. When noodles are packed warm with that light buttery flavor and mild spices, they become such a comforting meal for school. It's one of those lunchbox recipes that kids happily open and finish without complaining. And the best part is, noodles are something kids never get bored of. Every bite feels fun and delicious, which makes them perfect for a happy lunchbox. Now the second lunchbox favorite, baby potato tikkis. These tiny crispy tikkis are always a hit with kids. They are golden and slightly crispy on the outside, but soft and flavorful inside. The small bite-sized shape makes them perfect for little hands, and kids love popping them one by one. Honestly, these tikkis disappear so quickly that sometimes I wonder if I should pack a few extra. We can pack them along with a little curd, some sauce, or a simple chutney on the side. This small addition makes the lunchbox even more fun, and kids love dipping the tikkis and enjoying every bite. And honestly, once kids start eating them, it's really hard to stop at just one. They are that delicious. Next comes something healthy and traditional, ragi rotis. Ragi is such a nutritious grain, and it's especially great for growing kids. It keeps them full for a long time and gives them the energy they need for their busy school day. These rotis turn out soft, flavorful, and so satisfying. When they are cooked fresh on the tawa, the aroma itself is so comforting and homely. What I really love about ragi roti is that it's simple, wholesome, and still very tasty. Even kids who usually avoid healthy foods enjoy these rotis when packed warm in their lunchbox. Healthy, homemade, and full of goodness. This ragi roti is a perfect way to add nutrition to your kids' lunchbox. You can always pack them along with a little curd, some chutney, or a simple vegetable on the side, and it becomes a perfect balanced meal. Ragi chila is another wonderful option for a healthy lunchbox. It is light, nutritious, and very easy to make on busy mornings. Ragi is naturally rich and wholesome, so it keeps kids full and energetic for a long school day. It's a great way to include healthy grains in their diet without making it feel boring. I love packing these chilas in the lunchbox because they stay soft for a long time and taste delicious even after a few hours. You can pack them along with a little chutney, curd, or even some sauce, and it becomes a simple, balanced, and tasty meal for kids. These kinds of lunch boxes make mornings a little easier for parents and a lot happier for kids. Because when kids open their lunchbox and see something colorful, tasty, and homemade, it always brings a smile. Thank you for watching.